We are getting some breaking news at the moment. This is to do with the Shraddha Walkar murder case. Now, the accused in the case, Aaftab Poonawala, has moved an application in Delhi Saket court seeking bail in this matter. He, remember, is in judicial custody after the police interrogation, and his bail plea, we are told, is going to be heard tomorrow. Let's actually see the reactions that are coming in on this story. Then we will get in our colleague to respond to this.
हमारा फॉलोअप चल रहा है और जैसे मैंने आपको कहा कि हमारे मन में प्लानिंग है, विचार है, वाड़कर परिवार और मैं दिल्ली पुलिस कमिश्नर को भी इस विषय में मिलेंगे। वैसे लेफ्टिनेंट गवर्नर जो है वीके सक्सेना, उनसे मेरा फॉलोअप चल रहा है।
वालकर साहब, एक सवाल आपसे, क्या आपने आफ्ताब के परिवार को लेकर भी
साठी मिळवण्यासाठी धडपड करीत आहेत आणि नवीन पोलीस आयुक्त मधुकर पांडेनी पहिलीच मीटिंग श्रद्धाचा केस मध्ये त्यांचा ह्या कारकिर्दीची केली। 40-50 मिनिटं आमची मीटिंग झाली। आमच्या समोर त्यांनी दिल्ली पोलीस अधिकाऱ्यांची चर्चा केली। आफ्ताबनी जामिनासाठी अर्ज केला आहे, पण दिल्ली पोलीस ऑब्जेक्शन घेणार आहे, घेत आहे।
Let me take this across to my colleague Anvit, who is joining us on the broadcast. Anvit, what are the grounds on which this bail application has been moved? And considering the lawyers here are claiming safety of Aaftab, what more can you tell us about that?
Yeah, see, today Aaftab's lawyer has moved an application in Saket court seeking bail for him, and what we are given to understand is the grounds for bail that has been mentioned in the application is that the court has been told that the investigation officer of this case, of the murder case, has completed the investigation, and that there's no point keeping Aaftab in the judicial custody because the trial will go on for long, and they have mentioned in the application that he can't be kept in JC for that long, and that is what the ground has been made for his release. He has also mentioned in the application that he is not safe in jail and that the environment of jail is not as safe as to keep him in jail for so long.
Okay.
Also, the lawyer has mentioned that they are ready to give any security if the court asks them to in exchange of his release. So these are the grounds that have been made, but Griha, remember yesterday only the Delhi police held a briefing and said that they have got some breakthrough in this investigation.
Yes.
As DNA matching, DNA profiling has been done, and pieces of bone that were recovered, they have matched Shraddha's father's and brother's sample. And it was just last week when Delhi police had, his JC, the judicial custody was also extended.
Yeah.
So the bail application will be heard tomorrow in all likelihood, but it is expected that it might be denied.
Okay.
But the lawyer has moved it, and we'll see what decision that the court give tomorrow.
Also, Anvit, I'd like to understand from you, this is just procedural because of which the lawyer has gone ahead and asked this, because earlier, from all the reports that were coming out in the media, it was being mentioned that Aaftab is very much cooperating with the Delhi police and the police for that matter in this case. Does that stand? Or there are some things that are changing now, considering there are more and more developments that are coming to fore in this case?
He had been cooperating, and the investigation, the initial statement that he had given police officers and investigators had also told us that more or less it is the same, that the results of polygraph test and the psychoanalysis test have also been. But see, he is a murder accused, and this can be one of the rarest of the rare cases, the kind of fate that Shraddha meets. And he has also gone on to explicitly explain how he chopped her off into pieces and then threw around the pieces. So there are multiple sections that he will be facing other than murder. It will be a destruction of evidence. It will be tampering with the crime scene, and there can be more sections as the investigation further heads. But in this case, even though he had been cooperating, but since more and more evidences have been gathered by police on yesterday, DNA matching has also been done. Police might also again take him in their remand and question them. So keeping that in mind, also court might not allow him to free him from the JSC, and because the police might also ask for his custody again and question him to gather more evidences, because like Shraddha's phone has not yet been recovered. There are more skeletal pieces that are yet to be recovered. So he might be taken once again into custody for questioning. So that also court might consider before releasing him on bail.
Okay, all right, Anvit. We'll leave it at that. So, bail application moved by Aaftab Poonawala's lawyers. However, whether he gets that granted or not is something that we'd get to see tomorrow once that is heard before Delhi Saket court.